Affordable exotics. I'll bet there's some cars I was thinking of that you weren't thinking of. The thought of an exotic is really more about what it looks like. When you think of an exotic car, you think about exotic looking. You don't think about exotic driving, right? So why not a kit car as an exotic? It's an affordable way to get that exotic look. Let's face it, that's really what it's all about. So yeah, there's Fieros, there's VW, but then if you do want to step it up, you can do all kinds of alterations now. You know, even today's cars, guys are coming out with brand new cars, Corvettes, Camaros, and you know, changing, putting bags on them and springs and lowering and doing all their own thing to it. You're going to do that to a kit car anyways, just naturally. So if it's a Fiero, why not start with it, hop it up with a V8, LS. You know, you can custom tube chassis, do all the things you want to do to it to make it what you want. But it has that look at a fraction of the cost. It's something you can afford, and the odd mechanic, either a home one like me, who's trying to figure it out, or you can take it to somebody that can get it fixed and it costs a fortune in parts. Now, not every mechanic wants to do a kit car, so you got to find the right guy to do that. But it certainly is an option. If racing or having that exotic feel and drive to this is your thing, then there's great chassis available made for the track that can basically do it all. And you can set them up to do the all, even rally stuff if that's what you're into. And not every chassis has to be a Fiero, or a VW. They've even got Infinity G35 chassis that are used for kits, and even the Subaru WRX chassis, Corvettes, you name it, there's all kinds out there. VWs are probably one of the cheaper and easier ones to get in. And then there's the kits that probably shouldn't have been done. But anyways, it's part of it. There are kits for cars that are really rare or very difficult to obtain in the real world, and out of mostly everybody's price range. That's all for this week. See you on the next one. Crap, fall. All long Thanksgiving weekend, just doom and gloomy weather. It's okay, watching the duck. Whoa, watch that last step. Crap. A little scary if you go a little too far. Jumping. Let me turn you around. See what I mean? Standing on this corner. And that edge. Yikes!